Hello everyone, this is Sapphire Needles. You're welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the calculation of the radius of a circle. Now when we get close, we know that most of these calculations have formulas. So let's say the formula for finding the radius of a circle is C equals to 2 pi r. Now we're going to break this down. C is the circumference around that part of the body that you're looking to find the radius of. So C is let's say we want to find the radius of a skirt, so we'll be working with the waist. Now C is the circumference of the waist. You're going to put the tape around your body to find the circumference. 2, we already know what 2 is. 2 is a number after 1. Then pi, according to mathematicians, pi is 3.142. that is pi. So wherever you see this, you know that this is what you should use to represent it. So wherever you see pi, it is 3.142. And then we have this r, that's the radius. The radius is the distance between the center of your circle. Like when you fold your fabric into 4, that sharp point, I'll illustrate it after this calculation. So that's the center of the circle. The distance between the center of the circle to any part of that circle, So let's say this is your circle, this is the center. Now from this point to this point is your radius. So I could do this to this point, from this point to this point is my radius. Now that we've established that, let's work on the calculation. So let's assume the circumference is, so now let's do a calculation. Let's assume the waist circumference is 40. So now we'll say circumference 40, circumference equals to 2 pi is 3.142 brackets, open brackets, 3.142 closing the bracket, and then r. Do you understand? 2 pi r. So we'll say it's 40 equals to 2 times 3.142, or 3.142 plus 3.142. I hope you understand. So this will give us 6.48. We could do the calculation together. 3.142 times 2 to give us 3.28. It's actually 3.284. So 6.284 r. Now because this 4 is not up to 5, we'll do away with it. You know how it is now. We all did mathematics. So if it's not up to 5, you can't approximate this to be 9. So we'll do away with 4. So we'll have 40 equals 6.28 r. Now to find the radius, r equals 6 over 6.28. I hope you understand. Now r will be 40, which is the circumference, over 6.28. So 40 divided by 6.28 would give us 6.3. So R is 6.36. So we could say 6.37. I could actually make this 4, so 6.4, or we just say 6.5. So our radius for 40 as a circumference would be 6.4. Hope we understand. Radius equals to circumference over 6.28. 6.28 was gotten from pi 3.14 multiplied by 2. So this is how to find the radius. This would be that 6.4. So I'll use this paper as to make an illustration. Let me get a sheet of this paper. Okay, now so if this is our fabric, we'll be turning it, folding it in two like this, and then this way, because it's a rectangle. So let's say this is the center. Okay, let me work with this point. This point now is what I'm going to be working with to get my radius. So if I'm measuring from this point, I'll be, remember I said from the center to any part of the circle. So I won't be using 6.4 here because I don't know, the paper won't accommodate that. Plus, see, it's not so big. So let me just use 3 inches. Let's assume we got 3 inches here as radius. I would come here. This is I'm assuming this is my center. I would come here and mark 3 inches. Then I'll take the tape around. And mark 3 inches. 3 inches. 3 inches. Then I'll connect this point. Now this is 3 inches. Then I'll get my circle just like this. From there, from this radius line, I'll get my circle. So I'll be using 2 inches for circle, for the length of my circle skirt, or whatever it is, peplum. And I'm doing this calculation of radius because henceforth we would be making peplums, circle dresses, skirts, tops, and I wouldn't want confusion because I won't start calculating this when I want to. I'll just say, okay, this is my radius, because I believe you would have seen this video and already know how to find the radius of a circle. So now this is the radius. I will be cutting this out. I won't be needing this. We won't be needing this. So we'll be cutting this out, and then this is what we'll be working with. I hope you understand. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. Please help me get to 500. And if you're a subscriber, I just want to say thank you so much. I do appreciate. Thank you. Don't forget to drop a comment and like. So this is it's yeah, this is it. This is a circle. It's in 2 halves, so this is a full circle. Yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you understand, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye.